Hello all. In the last video, we completed writing this handle copy method which helped us to copy the content to the clipboard. Now in this video, we will write the code to open a URL using this handle post method. So this is very simple feature to implement. What we will do is we will just create a URL and then we will use that window.open method to open the URL into a new page. So first of all, I will create a URL and we will not use this tweet idea ID. So I will remove this as well. Now let me just paste the URL here. So as you can see, it is already giving me, I don't know why, or I might have already written this code. That is why it is giving suggestions. So as you can see, I have pasted the URL here. So the first part is the static part, this, and this tweet text we want to set it to whatever we have selected. So that is why I am appending this dynamic part after it. Now we will open the URL. So window.open. What we want to open? We want to open the URL and the target will be blank, which means it will be opened in a new page. So let's save this and deploy this to org. So this is very simple feature. I just googled what is the link which opens when we write a tweet. So I used that link, and after that I just appended the tweet text which we want to be loaded while tweeting. And then we use this window.open method. We pass the URL which we created and also set how we want to open the URL. So here I wanted to open the URL in a blank page. That is why I wrote underscore blank. Let me go to this Salesforce org and refresh the page. And now if we click on post, as you can see, we are able to open the URL. Let me click on post for some more ideas. So I will go on questions tab and click on post, and as you can see, we are able to open these links. So that's it in this video. In the next video, what we will do is when we click on this copy button, a modal should open. So we will do the designing of this modal. Let me show you the modal once. So when we click on this copy button, this modal is opening. So we will create this modal in the next video. Thank you very much.